If your mouse suddenly is spoiled and not working, how you can use your keyboard as a mouse? It's very simple and easy. Just follow the steps. You have to press the Alt, Shift and then press the number lock. You get the pop-up on screen. You have to press yes to continue. And then after that, if you want to move your mouse to left side, you have to press the 4 key. If you want to move your mouse up, you have to press number 8. If you want to move your mouse arrow down, you have to press number 2. If you want to move your mouse to right side, press the number 6. And then if you want to click the mouse or enter, press the number 5. So for example, I just select this one, my computer. I keep pressing number 4 until I get the arrow on my PC, and then I 2 times I press the 5. So you can see on the screen. So I press the number 5 to enter. You can see on the screen we can use our keyboard as a mouse. It's very simple. Left 4, right 6, up 8 and then bottom number 2 and then enter number 5. So that is very simple. If you want to disable, you follow the same steps, Alt Shift and then number lock and then disable it. Click the no. That's it. It's very simple and easy. You can use your keyboard as a mouse. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.